So traders, let's draw some lines, upcoming lines for the next trading, strong SNR levels. So as usual, just change it into 10 minutes. Then we can look for good SNR levels on the top. Okay, and then on the bottom. This is actually the recent strong SNR levels, so I don't know you can trade in these levels because it may break out soon. So anyhow, okay, I think there is time to break out or reach the level, so you can go for reversals in this particular resistance and support. Another one, let's change it into 10 minutes as usual, then draw the lines. I will upload one video on how to trade on strong SNR levels. Let's draw the lines here. You may find it difficult to draw the lines first, but if you practice well, you can do it easily. This particular chart look like it's little difficult to draw. Okay. The bottom line. So here there is lot of SNR levels you can see near to near. Even if you are trading in strong SLR levels, please be very conscious about the risk of trading. Next chart, NSD USD. (10 minutes) time frame. Then draw the lines, delete the old lines, then just draw. Okay, this particular resistance is too good, and you can expect a reversal for the first attempt of the market to reach the level. Kindly notice that particular level is so good. If the market is reaching next time that level, you can expect 90 above percentage reversal. So you can go for a put there. Okay, there is two levels. Here there is lot of levels I drawn, so it may be confusing. So thank you, take care, all the best. Keep trading, keep practicing.